how to schedule news on the front page of your school website. So we've already gone in and created our page, added our text, created our news story. We've gone through the Site Actions menu and actually scheduled which times we want our news story to appear, and we've selected our image. So the next thing we need to do is we need to go to the home page, because the home page is the only page where you're going to be able to see this item come up in your Site Actions menu. So once you're on the home page, you click Site Actions, and if you scroll down to the very bottom, you'll see an option that says Schedule News. So we're going to click on that, and it's going to bring up a page that looks similar to this. Now what you can see here, this is the Pelee Island News Scheduling area. There's already a test story existing, so anything with this pink bar here shows you that there's already a story in existence. Underneath, you'll see a title that says News, and in brackets you'll see there's one item. If I click on that, we'll notice that this is the item that we just created. We can see the date here. Now, if we wanted to schedule our story in that very center area, in the spotlight area, we would just click and drag that news story up to where it says Spotlight. If we wanted that story to just be in the sidebar where it says Other Stories, we'd click and drag it up to the Other Story area. In this case, let's put the story right in the spotlight in the center of our school web page. So we're just going to click and drag and drop it right there where it says Spotlight, and it's going to display the timeline for when the story is going to appear on our school page. Now there's one important little step that's really easy to miss. So before you leave this page, at the very top, you need to click here where it says Save Change. And when you do that, you'll be prompted with a box that says Save Successfully. Just click OK. And you'll notice here that that news item that existed now says 0 because it's up here in our queue. So now we can go back to the Pelee Island site, and we can take a look and see if that story is displaying for us on our front page. And there it is. So you'll notice there's the image that we chose, and you'll also see, if we go back to take a look at it again, you'll see here's our title, and if we click here on Full Story, that's then going to bring us to the page that we created where parents and the public can find out further information.